Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling a welding seam. It is going to be a kind of welding seam simulation. I have here some steps. I don't want to model again gear. If somebody wondering how this gear is modeled, you can find them inside of my videos. For that reason I will delete all my steps here. Now together we are going to be modeling. Firstly, in a right plane we are opening a sketch, and after that on the place on the corner where two edges meeting, we are creating a sketch. This two line will be equal. Then I have here a 45-degree corner. The seam wideness is going to be 3 mm. For that reason I make this line is 3, and I am putting here a construction geometry and meeting in the middle of this longer line. After this step we just create a reference geometry, line and point. First reference is a line, second reference is point, and exactly we have there a plane which is normal to this line. After this we just open a sketch and start to model our welding seam. As always I do, first I create a construction geometry and a line, after a mirror. Yes, mirror edge lines going to be on the edges. Dimension here to here will be 0.5 mm, and I have a spline with 1 point, 1 control point, 1 starting, 1 ending, 1 control point spline, and we are giving a tangency relationship here, a tangency also here. Our dimension here to here 2.5 mm, and tangency values of the spline going to be 2 by 2. After that we just close our sketch here, and this RPA is 2 mm. Don't need to make fully defined. We are going to have a shape something like this. After this 0.75 mm covers to our side, and then 2 mm down, and we unclick this merge result option. If we keep it, this seam going to be combined with the gear, the body. I don't want it. Now I have just here a 0.5 mm radius. After this operation we are going to create on this line an axis. We will use this axis for rotating our body. Rotate option here, we choose axis, and it asking us the body, and then we are saying him that we are around 15 mm having slope. In this case I think we should little bit extend our extrude. After this point we just select a circular pattern with bodies option. The body going to be patterned, and a circular face I need to choose. The number of elements going to be 70, and I just create it basically. Everything is ready. In this step I want to combine all the welding seams. I just choose them under my solid bodies, and with inside of features, combine, add and close. I think it seems we didn't choose this two body, but we can again choose them. That's not an issue. Always edit and just adding this two more body. SolidWorks is a flexible program. For that reason you don't need to be afraid of making a mistake. Always you can go back and edit the model that you create. The important thing is creating sketches which is fully defined while you are editing. If you don't wanna have a problem, you should always keep doing that. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like button, and please make comment to support my channel and for growing.